everyone. So this is our dog. So you could also call him, or you could call him Prosty or Prosty Hoot. Natawa. I don't know what's up with this dog, but he di ay kay Lucky yun di si Prosty. Gikan si Just sa matinding bakbakan ganiha with Arla, a female dog from our neighbor. Nakipagbakbakan siya dito and then the the naughty, the lungas kaadyo na Prosty suddenly becomes so sweet and quiet pagkatapos sa ilang bakbakan sa iro nga si Arla. Unsa may jong kuan pa nga si jong anak Prosty, si Arla and Prosty Taria. Taria no. No, tubog Prosty. Tubog. Na. Nagparajig ang iro. Nagparajig bisag baho. But yeah, that's it. So this dog is is in a relationship, currently in a relationship with a dog in our neighborhood. May reaction is Prosty. Gihangak naman yung kaprosty nga naman ka.
Kapoy.
Hindi kapoy man tao.
Ini, nilarag po naman.
Nilarag makagpurma. Mano makaganang gikan luwa sa has. Oh. Prosty Hoot. So that would be the end of this video. I just, give you some updates of our beloved dog. Beloved, uwagan, pompous, barbaric, self-directed, strat dog. This is PC.
Yeah.
Prosty Hoot.
Hindi naka-virgin.
Hindi naka-virgin. Ay, kanang our beloved, unvirgin, and innocent dog. Bye, Prosty. Ano si reaction Prosty? Mo si kagpatay.